Cloves are aromatic flower buds which are widely used in cooking as well as medicine. Cloves are traditionally used for maintaining oral health for their analgesic and antimicrobial properties. The antioxidants in cloves are known to support liver health and protect against oxidative stress. The aroma of cloves is known to have a soothing effect on the respiratory system. It relieves respiratory conditions such as asthma and coughs. Oil extracted from cloves is traditionally used to relieve pains associated with arthritis or muscle aches. Cloves stimulate the production of digestive enzymes which aid in better digestion. Natural remedy for toothache. Mix some clove oil with a carrier oil such as coconut oil. Make sure you apply this oil mixture exactly on the gums or teeth which are painful. This provides instant and temporary pain relief from the affected gums or teeth.